Alright guys, so today we have here a Samsung refrigerator. Let's see if we can get that to focus. That just happens to be the model and everything. This is one of those ones with the issue with the ice maker not working right. Now the issue here is the ice maker is not working properly at all still, but also the fan inside is making some noise, and I believe it's from it icing up from getting too cold, which could be because of some various things I'm going to do right now. I'm not totally sure this is going to fix it, but let's hope for the best here, and we'll get back to more. Basically what I'm gonna do, I already cleaned this a little bit with my hand. I'm gonna take a vacuum to all this, clean out all these vents, don't fall over, all that, clean this whole back up so it can breathe a little bit. And then I'll also see if it needs further cleaning underneath this, if I can take this cover off, which it looks like I can. So, we'll get that part done first, and we'll go to the inside after and check the fan. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this.